there. I'm from God.
Just keep making it worse. Hey, take this. Hey, Jordan, hold up a sec. If you can get her, I'm gonna grab her legs, because she's gonna pull us both off of this. If you can get her torso.
I could just walk.
No, you've already proven you can't. Come on. Really?
She got her feet.
Stop hooking your feet.
Oh my God! She got her feet hook, line, and sinker in the stairs. Okay. Oh, she been through this before. Like, how do you? Hey, she quick on her feetery. Okay. Literally. Okay. Quick on her feetery. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Frontier. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people. How my people doing today? Hey, I gotta say this, man. If you guys are not on Discord, you guys are missing out. We be going type crazy over there. I've sent out the links. I put the links in the descriptions. Make sure you head over to the Discord. Tap in with us, man. We be going to the, you know what I'm saying? And we be talking about you. You know what I'm saying? Come tap in. Come find out. You're gonna have fun. It's a good support system. If you're going through something, if you live alone, or if you're lonely, going through a bad breakup, divorce, just life kicking your arse, come tap in with us on our Discord, man. A lot of love over there. Shout out to my people for over there holding it down. You feel me? With that being said, man, we about to tap into a video that I got sent. Of course, I got sent the video, and we're gonna do it. Okay. Entitled woman refuses to exit plane gets oh, the druggery. I mean, not drugs, like no. I mean, drug off the plane. I like those kind of videos, so you guys learn them. You guys know me so well. We about to tap into that. But before we do, we gotta check on our meeperies, okay? If you're new to the channel, you know what meeperies are. That's something where we check on our mental before we get into a video, because people go through things every day and they going through things. Got to go through it to get through it, and we're going to make sure you get through it, okay? Now, with that being said, 1 through 10, tap down the comment section. How are you doing today? Mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down the comment section. Talk to your family. Talk to your community. Let us know, okay? If you need some extra meats, we're going to send some your way, and we're going to get you right where you need to be, okay? With that being said, let's go ahead and tap to the video. Let's get the video to 30,000 likes, 2K, what I said, 30,000 likes? No, we don't go crazy. We'll go 2,000 likes, 30K views. Let's type in, let's have fun. Let's do what we do and what we're known for. Shout out to all the new subscribers, too. I'll see y'all in the comment section.
On September 23rd, 2025, airport officers were dispatched to a gate after a woman refused to deplane from a Frontier Airlines flight.
Oh, Frontier.
She's on the plane.
She's on the plane?
Yes. She's not wanting to get off the plane.
Okay.
Yes. She's in the fourth.
Flight attendants are the ones that called it and stuff? Okay. Yeah, I'll go down there. Don't worry. Hey there.
So the 1 and 4 on the left-hand side.
4 on the left-hand side?
Yep.
Within
the brown.
The brown? Okay.
Yep.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hey, I need you to get up and come with me.
You got to pay for those seats, baby. You just
Because
can't
you're not
have
going to be on this flight. So I need you to get up and come with me, okay? Do what?
Give me a reason.
Because you're not allowed on this flight.
Reason.
They're not letting you on this flight. That's my reason. So you're not allowed to be on this flight. Now come on. So we can do this 2 ways. You can come off this flight with me, or...
As I asked them, they wanted some food.
Okay. I'm not going to talk about it with you here. You can come off the flight with me, or I can clear everybody out, and then I can drag you off the plane.
You play everybody out.
Okay.
Nobody's
So,
going to know.
can you
Ooh, she on that type of
come
time.
down here, please?
Hold on. She's on that type of timery. Ooh, we know where this is about to go. She said, I'm laying back down. Big, what got the overalls like you just came off a construction site? You know what I'm saying? Like, what are you doing? She put her hands in the pants like Al Bundy type. It's either hands in the pants or ants in the pants. One of the two, baby. Here, what are we doing? You about to deplane this whole plane because you want to act stupid? You got to pay for those seats. Like, what do you Let's see what's going on.
So she's obviously not going to come willingly here. Yep. So we're probably going to have to remove her off the plane. Do you want to clear out the area, or
It is your choice. We will leave it completely up to you. Where are you more comfortable?
Because my worry is that if she starts, flying,
Right.
she's gonna hit somebody else.
Uh-huh.
So if we could just kind of clear
The first 4 rows?
the first 4, and then maybe the couple behind in case she flings something back.
Yep, absolutely. Absolutely.
All right.
Man, I would be so mad at that lady. I would have went and drug her off myself. I ain't gonna lie.
You need to come on it.
This lady was like,
All right, where you guys heading to?
Denver.
Denver?
Colorado.
No, she's not making it out of Nashville today. It seems like.
Oh, you messed up on my day.
oh yeah, big yeah.
Just the first couple rows. Sorry we had to do this to you guys. I just don't want anybody getting hit by anything if she starts swinging or something,
We understand. I'll see this out. She just yelled out, I actually have a f***ing bomb, so no one's going anywhere.
Cool. All right.
She
Perfect.
said she had a bomb and nobody's going anywhere. Oh, baby, terroristic threat. Oh, you.
All right, let's go.
And they said, oh, you want to... It's going to explode.
Let's go. We're not gonna jump like that.
It's going to explode. Oh, it's going to explode. It's right there.
What?
Hands behind your back. Thank you.
Fun, huh? Yeah, she said she had a bomb on the plane, so that's fantastic.
That's just another charge. Good job, lady.
Right.
Can I disconnect this or am I cutting it?
Yanking that motherfucker in.
That is still out there. It's still there.
All right, you guys, find it different. Get off.
No, the bomb's still there. I'm from God.
Just keep making it worse. Hey, take this. Hey, Jordan, hold up a sec. If you can get her, I'm gonna grab her legs because she's gonna pull us both off of this. If you can get her torso.
I could just walk.
No, you've already proven you can't. Come on. Really?
She got her feet.
Stop hooking your feet.
Oh my God! She got her feet hook, line, and sinker in the stairways. Okay. Oh, she been through this before. Like, how do you? Hey, she quick on her feetery. Okay, literally. Okay, quick on her feetery. She said, "Oh, they're about to drag me. No, let me hook my fucking feet up under the stair." What? Okay, lady, you said you got a bomb. Now, if I'm really on this flight, I might have punched you on the way out. I ain't gonna lie, because I don't play about the bomberies. I already don't like to fly, okay? You scare me more, okay? Now I might not want to take this flight. Put me on, you know what I'm saying? I'm willing to take Spirit Airlines at this point, okay? What is she on? PCP. I promise you, everybody that thinks like this and go through this and do dumb shit like this, they on the old school PCP. They own that. Clearly she is, okay? Look out!
Here, I'll go.
She's out of it.
Let me get on that side. I can
Wow,
Yo.
you want me to act right?
So, screw the feet. Yeah. Now hand her off. Now fix this on. Okay. Jordan, you need a hand down there? You good? I'm good.
What? You about to have a seizure? Chill.
So you got,
I can walk.
you got a hobble.
I mean, big rotisserie style in the car. Get in there.
Sit down here.
Ow!
Sit down.
You got a hobble? I've got one up in my bag. Should be one in the glove box.
Ooh, they about to bind you up, baby. They about to stuff you, put you in the oven tight.
You know? Bam. Stop. I'm gonna have to pull her legs back out.
This time what you'll be doing, I do it. Dumbass.
We've already told you what to do multiple times. I'm done playing with you.
So I'm gonna ask the officer. Sure, and thank you. But you still ain't telling you.
I mean, I see a taser right there, sir. That might have helped you out in the beginning on the flight. Get her off of this.
I'm gonna make you feel good.
Who's it? Medlin.
Ugh, God. Yeah, so we get the first 4 rows undone, but we don't get anybody from behind her.
Yeah.
Flight attendant comes down and is like, yeah, she said nobody's going anywhere because she has a bomb. I'm like, oh, dude. Like, now she's coming off the plane. I know she's full of crap, but
She said stupid things, and now we have more work to do. Everybody needs to go back to the gate area.
Yeah, now they got to do the surgery.
you what? Okay. Were you asking
They got to
questions?
treat it like a real threat, even though they know it's full cocky.
Do what?
Money was there.
Yeah, we're gonna count your money. All right,
Together.
together.
All of at least.
We're gonna count it right up here on the way down to jail. Okay? Do you have anything on you?
What?
Do you have anything on you? Any weapons? Any drugs? Anything like that? Okay.
I need to make sure my mother floors get done.
Dispatch, go ahead and get a metro number for public intox to start, and then false reporting, and then, heaven forbid, if it's not a false report, then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sure. Disorderly resisting PI, false reporting.
Following the threat, Incident Command was activated and both TSA and the FBI were notified, while K-9 and EOD teams conducted thorough sweeps of the aircraft and cargo. No explosive device was located, and the flight eventually departed after approximately a 2-hour delay. The woman was charged with false report bomb threat, which is a felony, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and public intoxication. Her bond was set at $31,000.
I mean, what we talking about? Fair time to get some jewelry, something. You threat on my life. That's not. It's like 55, 60 people lives you threat. Like, and we knew it was a lie, but still. Now I'm gonna get you. Now I'm gonna get you wearing the culo where it hurt. Cavity check, all up in your culo. Bomb where? We got the check here, baby. We're gonna stuff you all the way like a turkey, and we're not gonna just put the tip in. We putting it all the way in that. I'm saying we're gonna make you pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Then you gonna go to jail and get stuffed like a turkey too at the same time. What we on? Like, what are you on? PCP, they said you on public intoxication. You were clearly more than intoxicated, okay? Big Al Bundy, big answer to pants. What were you doing? What were you thinking? I have no idea. Who does this? Who gets this drunk or comes to the airport on druggery, takes up all 3 seats that you didn't pay for, I know you didn't, and acts a fool and gets felony charges? FBI called? Are you baby? Good luck to you, because I know it's going to be hard for you to get a job, to keep a job. Probably, if you had a job, you lost it. This is going to be all over the internet now. This is going to be on here for life, okay? And shout out to my people, man, for sending me these videos. We do the crazy videos just so people learn. Some people say, well, nobody's learning from these videos. These are all grown people. It don't matter, okay? If somebody thought about doing something stupid, maybe they won't. Oh, hey, this ain't no game. This is federal charge. This is jail time. This is like, you know what I'm saying? I might get 50,000 bolts to the head or to the nutteries or to the cootery. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to feel that. You know what I'm saying? I just want the tip of the real thing. I'm just saying, man. We're going to keep on having fun. We're going to keep turning it over. We're going to keep calling out these idiots. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is. Man, it's going down. Head over to Discord, man. Tap in with us. And join the winning team, man. Our community, I don't care where we go, our community, we have one of the best communities on YouTube. One of the best communities on Discord now. Where we go next, who knows? But when we go there, we're going to have the best over there too. And it's really family type vibes. That's the best way to put it. It's really family type vibes. The support I see people give to each other, and you know, the empathy that we have, people going through things, unmatched. You feel me? And the giveaways we do, nobody's doing them like we do it. So shout out to us. I give us an A+++, okay? And that ain't AAA. That's you know what I'm saying? That's a future community. That's us. That's a vibe. Join the vibe. Let me catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Fushika, man. It's going down. I'm out. Gone.